and today let's talk about iOS 6. The Apple released the iOS 6. They update the mobile OS that powers the iPhone, iPad, and iPad Touch. Unveiled in June at the annual Worldwide Developer Conference, iOS 6 promised to deliver a variety of needed enhancements. It does just that, delivering a stable and responsive OS that all recent iDevice users should download and install. The ability to share links, images, and other data gets a boost with redesigned share sheets of the iOS 6. The upgrade offers more than 200 new features, according to Apple's, which apparently counts numerous minor tweaks as notable changes. Some of the more noteworthy additions in iOS 6 include shared photo stream, redesigned share sheet with Facebook integration, Siri enhancement, iCloud tabs for viewing on one device to same site you were reading on another device, and finally, voice direction for navigation. You can also now update apps without having to enter your password. Minor changes include a new theme for the music player on iPhone, and design enhancement to Apple Digital Store, and dynamic menu bar that shift color depending on the background, and FaceTime over cellular network. The iOS 6 is the sixth major release of the iOS mobile operating system developed by the Apple Inc. Being the successor to the iOS 6.5, it was announced at the company Worldwide Developer Conference in June 11, 2012, and was released on September 19, 2012. It was succeeded by iOS 7 on September 18, 2013. iOS 6 added a new Apple Maps app replacing Google Maps as the default mapping service for the operating system, a dedicated podcast app as a central location for podcasts, and a passbook app for managing different types of tickets, boarding passes, coupons, and loyalty cards. The App Store received a visual overhaul, bringing a card-based app layout as well as tweak to search algorithm. Facebook was integrated into the operating system, incorporating statue messages like buttons and contact and even synchronization to several of Apple apps. New privacy control allow users more fine-grained app permission as well as an option to prevent targeted advertising. Siri was added to more devices and updated with more functionality, including the ability to make restaurant reservation, lunch app, retrieve and movie reviews and sports statistics, and read items from the notification center. And the security content of the iOS 6 is awesome. iOS 6 can be downloaded and installed using iTunes. This document describes the security content of iOS 6 for the protection of our customers. Apple does not discuss, or confirm security issues until a full investigation has occurred and any necessary patches or release are available. Along the lines of Twitter integration in iOS 5, Facebook has now been completely integrated into iOS 6. Once you log in to your Facebook account in the settings page, you will be able to instantly share photos, location links, game centers, scores, or status update. And if your Facebook contact will get synced with iOS contacts, and Facebook calendar entries like birthday will get synced with the iOS calendar app. App Store and iTunes on iOS 6 will also include the Facebook like button. Reception of iOS 6 was positive. Critics noted that the operating system did not offer any significant speed improvements or major redesigned elements, but instead focused on refinement with a general consensus that Apple isn't overhauling things for the sake of it. iOS 6 didn't completely change the way you use your device, but each of the tweaks will make many daily smartphone action easier across the board. And critics noted the refinement of something that already works extremely well is something other companies will do well to emulate. The release of Apple Maps, however, attracted significant criticism due to inaccurate or incomplete data. The issue promoted an open letter of apology from the Apple CEO Tim Cook and played a contributing role in the dismissal of Scott Forstall from the company, who had supervised iOS 6 development since its inception. So, iOS 6 can fit your daily needs. That's why all people gonna love it.